Good day, traders. After a long time, I'm recording this video for the educational purposes. So, I'd like to invite you to like and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And anyway, uh, it is a gold pair. I'm trying to make you one more time to understand the support and resistance trend line and as well as supply and demand line, how I trade actually. And as you guys see, I'm this is the support then became resistance here. Very easy setup, right? But we are not very we can take sale up here, but the problem is we lose trade because we are not patient. So our strategy is when price come back at our point, at the possible HLZ point, we will take buy or sell, right guys? So it is sell setup. Price come back at our zone and we can look for sale. So we need another confirmation for the lower time frame. If we come back at the 15-minute chart, as you guys see, it made here a divergence. So it is another signal for us to be confirmed that we can take sale and risk free. This is 100% risk free sale setup. And yeah, this is all guys. And the question is, how can I make a trend line, right guys? How can I make a perfect trend line and supply and demand? So my suggestion will be, if you are a new trader, always choose 1 or 2 market. Do not jump 5, 4 or 10 marketplace and you don't understand any pair. So that will be so much unprofessional, because the professional trader always choose 1 or 2 market. And if you understand the supply and demand, the market influence, market confluence, market behavior, win any trade, right guys? So in this video I'm going to share a little bit knowledge you guys to understand how to draw a perfect trend line, and you can take place your trade accordingly. Let me just draw a demand zone here according to support and resistance line. If I draw a red box here, you guys see price has been broken totally, so there is no chances to market to go up more. And obviously seller is much stronger here and made it double top and just broken the last support line as well, you see. And yeah, we can go for sale for the long time. And this is the way we should trade. We should always, this is the market, we should always wait. And yeah, if you see the possibilities made 100% or 90%, then you can go for a trade. Otherwise, you not. Do not trade with any confusion. If you hesitate, then you don't need to trade. Okay guys, and this is the only strategy, and no other indicator will give you a 100% chances to win a trade unless you are understand to read actually the price action. Price action strategy is the best in this market. As you guys see, price always touched at our support and resistance line and supply and demand zone. You can take buy here. You will always get 100 and 200 pips if you follow the trend line and HLZ supply and demand zone. So down here price is now bearish, so we'll always look for a sale for the long time, and we can take short buy when price touched at our support trend line or supply and demand zone. Right guys, so suppose our price just moved around here, and we can take we can draw our trend line. So this is the way we should draw a perfect trend line, and we always need to focus to last two high and last low. We always have to focus ourselves on the supply and demand zone. If the supply and demand zone matched or touched at our support and resistance trend line, then we can go for buy or sell. You see guys, the very nearest supply zone, actually it has been touched, and price moved accordingly. Price behaved accordingly. You see guys, up here there are two red boxes, and I marked here two possible supply zone. These two are, and price actually behaved on of these supply boxes. So this is the way we should take our decision for the sell or buy. Let me draw some arrows where seller are most of the time very strong. And here, so these are the position where seller are very interested, highly interested to take sell. Right guys, can take sell if price touched at our this trend line or supply and demand zone. If price come back at our this line and this zone, we can go for buy or sell. We could take buy at this level, at this support line, if price would heavily come back here, but price actually didn't. So that's why but this zone was valid if price would come back here, because this is the supply and demand zone. You see, this is the red box. So we could take buy here. But price didn't come back, so we also didn't take in sell. We took buy. Sorry, we didn't took buy. We took buy here. You see, supply and demand zone touched our nearest support line. And trading is easy. All you just need to be consistent. And I hope you guys all joined our Telegram channel. Thanks all.